Hey, this is Larry Powell with Top Shelf Rankings. I know we have a call coming up here in just a couple hours, but I just wanted to get this video over to you guys, kind of outlining how my business can help your business, and then we can kind of answer any questions you still have on our call, and kind of go over what that would look like as far as implementation. So first off, looking at your guys' Facebook page, looks like you guys do some awesome work. I love this video header you guys have on here. The pictures of the crew out there doing work, it looks fantastic. One thing I did notice, you guys have a domain name, but this isn't currently connected to anything right now. When I was trying to pull up this site earlier, it looks like you guys had it connected to a Wix website at one point, but it's not connected at this point, which is no problem. But what I do to help businesses is I help them by getting their websites online, getting these websites ranked, passing up their competition, and generating leads. I help with Facebook advertising, Google advertising, kind of everything you can think of to generate leads for your business online. I'm able to help you out with that. So looking at kind of the competition for pool builders in Los Angeles, there's a lot of search volume out there that your business could be taking advantage of. I know you guys are in Alhambra. Los Angeles is right there with you guys. And so I kind of focused on, a bigger city, just to kind of show you the opportunities for your business. So with these websites, we'll look at the search results first, then I'll kind of show you what the competition looks like. So what we're going to be really focusing on in this video is the big three, and what the big three can do to improve the amount of customers you guys having in for your business. So the first one is content. So that's content on your website. Then we have backlinks, and we have citations, and I'll go over what each one of those are. So looking at Los Angeles pool builders, this is currently getting 100 searches per month, I believe is what it was. So 100 searches per month is what this search term is currently getting. So there's a lot of potential search volume by your business being in the top spot for this search term. Looking at the top ranked site, we have Los Angeles Pool Builders. So let's take a look at their site. And I'll kind of go over what we really look for in sites, and making sure that they're going to rank. So looking at this site, the biggest thing I see is content is lacking, right? So for you guys, if you were to get your site back up online, content is one of the big three that we really focus on. And with that, making sure that the search terms you actually want to be found for are in that content as well. So you really want to be targeting anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on this homepage. And like search terms wise, Los Angeles pool builders, you would want to make sure that's in your content. That tells Google that this is a search term you want to be found for, and so Google will pull you up in the search results for that search term if you're doing everything else correctly. So that's a big one you guys want in there. Overall their site is really lacking. Click to call buttons are great, which these aren't click to call, so that's another thing you really want to make sure you have on your website is that these are click to call. So if people are making searches for mobile devices, that they can connect with your business, and then they have like no content on here whatsoever. So for you guys to get your site back up and really be driving home on that content, you guys would definitely be passing them up in that regard. Now looking at the back end of their site, so we look at backlinks. So the best way to describe what a backlink is it's kind of like a high school popularity contest. So you have the most popular kid in school, we'll call him website A, and you have the least popular kid in school, we'll call him website B. And the most popular kid in school is going to tell the least popular kid that he's cool, right? He's going to give him his popularity vote, and he's going to bring him into his inner circle. And by doing that, by tagging himself to him, it does what's called a backlink. So it links back to your website, and it brings it up in the popularity on Google search. So looking at what your competition has to compare, what you guys would need to be passing them up, they have 113 backlinks, which is very low. They are ranking for 189 key terms, so that's search terms are currently ranking for, and they're getting 214 people per month headed towards their website. So we can see the different search terms they're ranking for as well. So we can see Los Angeles pool builders, 100 searches per month. LA pool builders, 60 searches per month. Pool builders Los Angeles, 40 searches per month. And these are all very low difficulty, low competition search terms that we could get you guys ranked for and generating this traffic headed towards your business. Pool companies in Los Angeles, 30 searches. And obviously Southern California is a little bit different. You have LA, then you have Orange County, right? And so, a lot of people are going to be searching LA, even though you have these, smaller sub-cities like Alhambra in there. people are going to be searching for these bigger cities, and so you could also be ranking for these smaller cities like Alhambra, and generating leads for them or for your business that way as well. So looking at what they have going on, it'd be very doable to pass them up. Second site, Premier Pools and Spas. Looking at their website, so they do have more content on here, but still not a lot of content. Looking at the back end of their site, we can see they only have 42 backlinks, so still very low on the backlinks. They're getting 333 people per month to their site, and then we can see the keywords that they're ranking for. So Pool Company Near Me is the biggest one they're ranking for. That's getting them 163 people per month to this website. So that would be a great search term for you guys to target. So with that, making sure that you have this in your content on your website. Pool Builder Los Angeles, they're getting 5 people per month for that. Custom Pools and Spas, 48. So there's a lot of opportunity here for your business, by targeting what your competition is currently doing and directing that, towards your website and stealing some of these clients. The other thing we look at is citations. So citations is how you get your business into this 3-pack. So I did see your guys' GMB, EE Pools and Ink. So it looks really nice. I love that you have the pictures on here. So there's a couple different factors for how you get your business into this 3-pack, right? So the first one is known as citations. And citations is your business name, address, and phone number listed on the web. You can get these from citation sources like a Facebook page if you list that, a free Yelp page, Yellow Pages. These are all citation sources you can get for your business. The more citation sources you have, the more likely you are to move into this 3-pack. There are a couple other factors like organic rankings, so where your website sits organically here in this part of the search results does play some weight into that as well, but citations is definitely the biggest one. So looking at citations for your business compared to what your competition has, we can see that you guys currently have 6 citation sources. We can see the top ranked, so Los Angeles Pool Builders is at 28 citations, and Los Angeles Pool Builders Inc. is at 19. So for you guys, you really want to beat your competition out in every way possible. So I would recommend going out there and throwing like 80 citations at this. And then, you guys would definitely be passing them up in the site or in the GMB in no time. So if you have any questions on this, we can definitely go over this during our call today. Hope you got some information out of this and kind of how you can, develop stuff for your business and generate new customers. I look forward to talking to you soon.